Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do some food review. I'm going to Malaysian food restaurant. It calls Uncle Man, and I have my bestie here today with me, Angie. Hey Angie, and let's go. We are going from the house now. It is about half an hour away, and let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Forward.
Yeah.
Hello guys, we are on our way to the restaurant and we'll show you a bit of it. We've got the kids in the back and the two ladies in the front. Okay, we'll see you guys there when we reach.
And we are here, Uncle Man's. So this is the menu. They have roti canai, chicken curry or beef rendang, roti plantain, roti bawang, roti cella, roti cheese. So sorts of desserts. Yeah, and then they have these are the starters. These are the mains. They have lamb biryani too, Malaysian lamb biryani. Yeah, and then mee goreng, Maggi goreng, fried Maggi noodles, fried flat rice noodle, mee goreng, laksa Penang, seafood, bihun soup, and the sides. So, what you like sides and dessert, and the drinks are here. So let's order what you want to eat.
I want everything.
Everything. So I want. I usually like noodle soup here. I will go for this mee bihun soup. Let's add vermicelli noodle soup. Vermicelli noodles with chicken soup topped with bean sprouts, spring onion, and crispy beans. Yeah. So this is what I usually like. I'll get this as usual, and I'll get salted bean sprouts and chives for side. I'll get one iced lemon tea, and what you like?
I will get
What one?
mee goreng.
Mee goreng. Okay. So mee goreng. Vegetarian option available. Okay. So mee goreng.
You're not getting any more of the chopsticks.
One bean soup, one mee goreng, salted beans, sprouts and chives inside, and one lemon tea. That's all for today. Thank you. And the food is here. So this is bihun soup. The size is a bit big. Actually, that's why I didn't order so much. Cannot finish. So this is bihun soup. It is vermicelli noodles and some sprouts and chicken. And this is This is mihun goreng. This is the Malaysian noodles, chicken.
Got some
And
fish.
some fish.
Prawns.
Corn. And it's very nice and tasty. And the side dish also finally here. So this actually took a bit time. These sprouts and chives. Yeah. And so this is the restaurant. It's not so big. But just nice. So here is making the roti canai. So I didn't ask, and then inside there is also goat's face, and then here. This is all the restaurant. And Moise is a bit grumpy today. Long one, okay. And here they how make roti canai. It's cool. Right in front of you they do that. Wow. They cook it there. So it takes how long to cook?
3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes. And 2 to 3 minutes will be done. Yeah, so we just finished, got in the car. Kids are get ready to go. Already they're tired, and the food was very tasty. Seriously, very tasty. So very delicious. I loved it. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like it, please put your thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Alisa. Alisa. Bye.
She's too busy eating.
Okay.